Dear student, welcome, good morning all of you. In 13.3 you will be see that cone. Cone, we know that is the best example of cone is that one joker cap. So determine the first question, determine the base of cone is, remember the base of a cone is 10.5 centimeter and slant height is 10. Find the curved surface area. So that first part is R is equal to 10.5 centimeter and then H is, slant height L, that is a L, that is a 10 centimeter. So that CSA, curved surface area we are finding, curved surface area is equal to pi RL. Pi RL, that means 22 upon 7 into 10.5 into 10. So that 7 1 ja and then 3 7 5 ja. So that multiply will be that 165 centimeter square. That is the answer. Second question is that find the total surface area of cone, that slant height is equal to 21 centimeter and diameter is equal to 24. D is equal to 24 centimeter. So R will be half of that one, 12 centimeter. So TSA we need to find that here. So TSA will be that pi value is not given here. So TSA is equal to pi R L plus R, that is a formula of TSA. So 22 upon 7 into 12 bracket L is 21 plus 12, that will be 22 into 12 into 3 upon 7 upon 7. After that calculation that will become 1244.57 centimeter square. Third question is that curved surface area of cone is 300 CS. CSA is equal to 308 centimeter square and then L is equal to, that is given 14. Slant height means L centimeter. So find the radius. So that first part CSA is equal to, we know that pi RL and then CSA is given 308 is equal to 22 upon 7 into R into 14. 7 2s are 14. So that 308 upon 22 into 2 is equal to R. So by the cancel 15, that is 4, 24, that will be 7. So R is equal to, that is a 7 centimeter. Then second part is that saying total surface area TSA. TSA is equal to pi R L plus R. So that pi 22 upon 7 into 7, that L is that 14 plus 7. So that 7 cancel by 7. So 22 into 21 is equal to, that will be 462 centimeter square. And then question number 4, that will be conical 10 meter high, H is equal to 10 meter and then radius is equal to 24, that is a meter. We need to find the slant height. So slant height means that is a L. L is equal to under root H square plus R square. So that 10 square plus 24 square, that will be 100 plus 4 4 is 16, 500, 4 4 ja 16, that 6, 4 2 ja 8, 4 2 ja 8, 8 8, 16, 17, 576, that is a 676, that is a square root of this one is 26 centimeter. Now that cost of the canvas required to make the tent. If you will see the tent, it means obviously that will become CSA. So CSA is already given here. So cost is equal to, that is a 1 meter is equal to 70 rupees. 70 into, that is a 308. So that will become 137,280 rupees. rupees. And then question number 5. What length of a tarpaulin 3 meter wide? Wide is equal to, that means wide is equal to 3 meter. And then height is equal to, that tent is given, height is equal to, that is given 8 meter. And then that radius will be also given there 6 meter. R is equal to 6 meter. We are working here tent, so that will be find the CSA. CSA is equal to pi r, sorry, for finding the CSA, L will be find h square plus r square, so that will be 8 square plus 6 square, that will be 64 plus 36, that will be 100, so that will be 10 meter. Now CSA is equal to pi RL, so that 22 upon 7 into, that will be R is 6 into 10, so that pi value I think is given, yes, 3.14. Pi value is given 3.14. By the multiply of that one, 6 4 ja 24, and then 6 1 ja 6, 7 8, decimal 6 3 ja 18, 6 3 ja 18, that will be here the decimal will become here, just minute, R is 6, yes, R is 6, and then we will find here wide is given 3 centimeter. We need to find the length. So length is equal to that 1.4 upon 3 plus decimal 2. That is a margin is 20 centimeter is given. That shows that 6 3 ja 3 6 ja 18 plus 6 2 ja and then 2 6 8 ja. So that will be addition of that will be 63 meter. So that is a wide of the tarpaulin. The slant height of a base diameter of conical is 25 and 14. So slant height is 25 and diameter is 14. 6th question, slant height is 25 and then diameter is equal to 14. So that will be is equal to, R is equal to 7. That units is given meter every unit. So that find the cost of whitewashing the curved surface. So CSA. So CSA is equal to pi r L. So that 22 upon 7 into 25 into 7 cancel by 7, 22 ja 50, 25 2 ja 55 meter square. And then cost of whitewashing, that will be rupees is given there 210 into 550 by per 100 meter, 0 by cancel. So that multiply of that thing, that will be 1155 rupees. 1155 rupees of that cost of the painting. 7th question, that a joker cap is in the form of a right circular cone, base radius 7 centimeter. So R is equal to 7 centimeter and then height is equal to 24 centimeter. So that is a joker cap. So obviously that will be find the CSA. So first of all L, then h square plus r square, that will be, so that is a h is equal to 24. So 24 square plus 7 square, so that will be 576 plus 49, that will be 625, and then that is a 25 centimeter. Now CSA, joker cap is that. So CSA is equal to pi RL. So that 22 upon 7 into R is 7 and L is 25. Cancel 25 to 50, 25 to 55 centimeter square, centimeter square. And then last question, 8th question is that a bus stop barricaded from the remaining part of the road. Barricading means, you know that you have seen that on a road, highway, especially in highway, if the route will be diverted, so that use the barricaded by using 50 hollow cones of recycled cardboard. Each cone has a base diameter is 40 centimeter. So diameter is equal to 40 centimeter. So R will be that 20 centimeter. And then height is equal to 1 meter. So that height is equal to 1 meter. So that will be also decimal 2 meter. 2 meter. So barricading is there. So we will find the L. First of all, L for CSA. H square plus R square, that 1 square plus decimal 2 square, that will be 1 plus decimal 04, that will be 1 decimal 04. The square root of 1 decimal 04 is given in your book, 1 decimal 02. 1 decimal 02, that is given. So we need to find the CSA. CSA of 50 hollow. CSA is equal to, that will be pi RL. So that pi is 3.14 into that R is decimal 2 into that height is 1, L is 1 decimal 02. That will be multiply is just calculative. Decimal 2 2 ja 4, 2 0 0, 2 1 ja 2, and then 3 decimal 3 1 4, 4 4 ja 16, 4 2 ja 8, 1 4 3, 3 4 ja 12, 3 2 ja 6, 6 4 1 5, 8 2 10, 3 1 4 1 5 6. That will be 6 5 0 5 6. Decimal 1 2 3 4 5 digit. 1 2 3 4 5 digit. That is a meter square. Now that we need to find that what will be the cost of painting. The cost of painting, cost is equal to, that is a rupees is 12 is given, and then 50 hollow is there. So decimal 6505, and then that will be the answer is that 384.34 rupees 384.34 answer. Okay.